This is a 2010 Ford Ranger Sport extended cab four-wheel drive in remarkable condition for a truck in Texas. Super clean, rust-free, brand new tires. You will not find a door ding on this truck. Tow package, bed liner, very, very clean truck. No hail damage. Like I said, not a door ding. You'll be lucky to find a scratch on this truck. Fog lights. It is a four-door extended cab, 4.0. All four doors open up. Seats in the back. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. It currently has 126,081 miles. AM, FM, CD with MP3, four-wheel drive, perfect Carfax report. There's our 125-point pre-owned inspection. No sagging headliner. It is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. So this is a 2010 Ford Ranger extended cab sport four-wheel drive in absolutely remarkable condition for its age.